Which of the following support material in learning use the procedures of programmed instructional technology based on Skinner and Crowder's principles? A. Modular instructional material. B. Branching programs-based material. C. Linear programs-based materials. D. Specifically prepared supplement program-based materials. E. Lecture outlines with components of to reflect and to do. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option A, B and C only. Option B, A and C only. Option C, C and D only. Option D, D and E only. And the answer is option A. Now discuss briefly about each option. Programmed instructional technology. Programmed instructional technology is based on three types of programming: linear programming, branching programming, and mathematics. Linear programming. The founder of this programming is B.F. Skinner. It is based on the theory of operant conditioning. It is also called as single-track, straight-line programming or extrinsic programming. According to Skinner, human behavior can be shaped gradually with suitable reinforcement for desired response. Learning material is presented in series of small steps called frames. Every learner should follow the same path. Immediate reinforcement is provided after every response. The learner has the ability to complete the program at his own pace. As the frame size is small, 10% error is estimated. Branching programming or intrinsic programming. Norman C. Crowder is the proponent of branching programming. It is based on the configuration theory of learning. It adapts to the needs of the learner without any extrinsic devices such as computer. The whole concept is presented to the students to learn better. After exposition, the weakness of the students is identified and remedial instructions are provided. Frame size is large, so 20% error is estimated. Modular distance learning. Modular distance learning refers to the distance learning methodology where students can indulge in self-learning. The primary feature of modular distance learning is to provide personalized self-learning modules, SLMs, to students either in print or in digital format, whichever is required by the students. In addition, there are other study resources available for the students of distance modular learning or like textbooks, activity sheets and study guides, through which students can understand concepts of learning. Here, learning takes place between the teacher and the learners who are geographically remote from each other during instruction. This modality has three types: modular distance learning, MDL, online distance learning, ODL, and TV, radio-based instruction. Modular distance learning materials can either be in print or digital, electronic format. The printed or digital modules are provided by the school and are delivered to the student's home. Specifically prepared supplement program-based materials. Supplement program, often called virtual schools, are those where a student is enrolled in a brick-and-mortar or physical school, and the school allows the student to enroll in one or more online courses as a way to supplement their curricular offerings.